You can hear it before you see it. The sound of the tide turning. It's the heartbeat of a campus fueled by ambition. The whistle blows, the crowd roars, and Teal Nation rises. Because when purpose meets passion, the world takes notice. And as we rise, we lift those around us. Here, we don't just watch the horizon, we chase it. Our reach extends beyond the coast. From the depths of the ocean to the edge of discovery. This is where theory meets experience, and knowledge becomes power. Don't just watch the tide, turn it. At Coastal Carolina University,